The further feature is of RAG question and answering. It will help the trader to know the question and answers. Many people have implemented the RAG model in their project, but the difference between our RAG model and other RAG models is that we are fetching the data from all the authenticated and verified sources, that is from all the government sources, government websites. Now further I'll add the prompt as the list of items that cannot be exported. The RAG will provide me the output of the list of items that cannot be exported, and also all the relevant websites and all the relevant sources are also provided. Okay, the further feature is of document generation. Now I have taken the user's ID. From that ID, I am getting two products, that is Nagpur Orange and Nagpur Lemon. So we will select one of them. Here further four other multiple documents are generated. Now I will click any one of the document for further document generation. For building this document, we have used RAG. The RAG is pre stored different type of document format context in it. On that basis, the agent is building a document which is required for the exporter to export. Now I clicked on letter credit document. So on the RAG will help us to generate the letter credit. Here there are multiple inputs and also the product details of the user, and these are the other documents related to export. The further feature is of risk assessment. This feature is mainly built to check the risk while exporting to different countries. Now here I will enter the country to which I want to export, for example UAE. Now the LLM will analyze on the basis of various factors like political relation between countries, economic relation, trade barriers, sanction and tariffs or restrictions applied on each other. On that basis, a risk evaluation will be calculated. Here the risk evaluation to export from India to UAE is 15%, which is considered as low, so the country is good for export. Also justification features like positive factors, potential risks are given by the LLM. Further alternative recommendations of the countries to which our country can export is also provided. So our further feature is of cross-border trade and finance agent. Events like trade restrictions, tariff conflicts, etc. are the areas of creates a fluctuation in the trade market. So to deal with it, we have made the cross-border trade and finance agent. It uses a news API which will fetch the relevant geopolitical news, and LLM will summarize that news. So currently our LLM does not know the context of the user's business, so we are using a RAG model for that. The RAG will tell the LLM regarding the context of the user's business, and further LLM will give us the geopolitical news which are related to our user's business, and also suggestions on the basis of the geopolitical news. Also, we are using the notification feature of UPTIQ.ai, which will send the news relevant to relevant geopolitical events regarding his business to the user. Also, we have made the feature of graph. Now I have entered the prompt as performing the market analysis of India's export. Now the graph will be generated on the basis of chart.js. Here we can see the graph of the agriculture, textile, IT, automobiles, and also pie chart of regarding the exports. Our next feature is of logistic tracking. In international trade, there are multiple delays faced due to numerous reasons like delays in supply chain, disruption in supply chain, poor route planning that leads to cost and time wastage. So to tackle this, we have made a logistic tracking agent or real-time shipping detail agent. So in this, I will enter my prompt as I want to fetch my shipping details. It will ask to provide me the shipping details. I will enter my shipment details. So after entering my shipment number, my agent will show me the shipment details, that is shipment overview, its location involved, its route details, its key events, vessel details, and also its current status.